Yeah, I already did the top half. The reason I do the top half first is because the top half tends to have a lot less debris. As you've seen, I already done a pre-wash. I've already got rid of most of the debris, but it's been a while since I've washed my truck. I've just been so busy. So I definitely have quite a bit of debris and stuff on the bottom, as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the bottom. I'm gonna use the back half of this scrub brush. I really like this one because it fits my hand good, easy to move around, easy to maneuver with, and also the back is good to get any debris and like bugs, any stuff like that. So go ahead and dip it back in my rinse bucket, swirl that around. Back in my soap bucket, as you can see, I got a nice leather in the bucket. Okay, now I'm gonna use the back of this brush. As I mentioned, I'm gonna go ahead and hit this bottom, get as much of that off as I can. Sure, I could definitely use a good clay bar. So I'll be doing that in the future, but for now, just gonna get what I can off of here. What I can off here, scrub it real good. Get under here in the rocker panels. All right, now that my brush is pretty dirty, go back in my rinse bucket, swirl that around, get all the dirt off, debris. Normally, I'd have a dirt guard in here. I don't have any with me at this time, but we're making it work. Still using 2 bucket method. Swirl that around. Get good leather on it. Proceed to the back door.